One of the key features in the webCRM system is the activities, because it's here you have the opportunity to create the framework for your daily work. An activity is not a meeting, but something you need to take care of, such as a to-do, a follow-up to an opportunity, a reminder, or in other words, a task to be performed. For your activity management to function optimally, it's important that you agree on how you will use the activities and thereby establish a common structure. The advantage of defining your activity structure is that it can help you to ensure that you get a proper yield of the webCRM system in relation to customer relationships, new sales, additional sales, and more. When the activity structure is properly constructed, you can follow each other's work, share knowledge, and go back to old cases to see history on these. When the activities are in use, they become the controlling structure on the customer card, from which you can link to meetings and opportunities, calling the customer using Skype or IP telephony. Insert a brief characterization of the activity in the description, which is also displayed in the activity overview, as well as writing the dialogue you have with your customer and what the next step should be. The activities uses the colors red, yellow, and green. Red means that the activity due date or time has been exceeded. Yellow means that the activity must be carried out today, and green are the upcoming activities. Do not post long messages and explanations into the activity log when you have the possibility to store messages from your local mail client directly to the customer card's mail history if you have opted webCRM's Exchange integration, Google integration, or webCRM's Outlook plugin for PC. Keep your notes short and precise, so it's clear and easy to read what you have agreed with the customer and when. Remember to move your activity date to the next time you need to do something with the case by choosing one of the already defined number of days here, such as to the day after a meeting with the customer, so the activity reminds you that you should write meeting minutes in the log. An activity can easily change the action several times along the way, and you can follow the process and the next step here in the log, where you can also see who wrote in it, who has responsibility, what actions and what deadline there's been. If the activity also requires action from your colleagues, you have the possibility to assign it to another user in the system. At the same time, you can send a message to a colleague with information about the activity. Remember to include this step in the activity structure, so everyone is aware of that this may be an option. When the activity structure is in place and started in your webCRM system, you have the opportunity to work with determination and focus with your prospects and customers. When you start your day and log into the webCRM system, you can see your activities here in the activity menu or on the front page of webCRM. Click the activity you want to start with and begin the task. When you're on to the next activity, click on the blue arrows here where you can flip back and forth between your ongoing activities. If you have phoners calling Canvas out to new prospects and customers, this arrow function becomes a simple and structured calling tool where the phoner also can edit the contact person's information or directly from the activity create a new one if it is someone else they have to talk to. When the phoner is ready to pass on the activity to the colleague to take over on the case, they simply choose a new responsible person here. You can also send emails directly to the contact, assuming that an email address is created on the contact person's card, and in this way manage it all from one location. Once your activity is done and no longer needed, you can complete it here, after which it no longer appears in your activity list. With the activity structure in place, everyone in the company has the same overview of what's in process with the customers and how far the case is.